We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are, MULLEN stock, MULLEN Automotive Inc. continuing to test key support levels here after having a bounce in yesterday's after hours, and we need to talk about what's going on here. But it was not the only stock pulling downwards. The overall market and the SPY did as well, and our SPY bot within the volatility sent out a bull indicator at 11:05 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, bull strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are at MULLEN stock, MULLEN Automotive Inc. pulling downwards. We need to talk about key levels here within the charts and the inflow versus outflow and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot at 11:55 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, bull strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are at MULLEN stock doing a full transition on 42 vision from the rip area to the dip area, having multiple days to the downside here of white with red borders, and trying to hold support here above 25 cents. And in today's video, we're going to break down some key levels. And as you can see here, this is 42 vision. If it's your first time coming across the channel, it lets us see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are at MULLEN stock, MULLEN Automotive Inc. with outflows dominating on the 1 hour and under a bear indicator since up here at 38 cents on the 1 hour chart. And we've pointed this out in previous videos, how even on the recent runs, the outflows have dominated, right? You could see that red line below the midpoint. And the last time that the inflows actually picked up was last year in October, when those inflows picked up. The bull indicator with full strength here, when the Ortex data was actually showing, and Fintel data, that short interest was slightly going lower. And a lot of people were speculating that shorts were covering and getting trapped in their positions when it went from 20 cents all the way up to 44, and from 34 cents all the way up to 64, right? So since then, we've seen runs. There could be some shorts that have covered in these runs. That's just speculation right now, but inflows have not picked up enough to cross the midpoint on the bigger picture. And I've talked about how important this was within this chart. Now, as we are seeing it right now underneath the midpoint and coming back down to the support of 25 cents, it's going to be crucial to watch if it could go ahead and do a double bottom effect here and eventually cancel out this bear indicator on the 1 hour. Now, when we zoom into the volatility here of the 15-minute, we could see that inflows have tried coming back up, crossing the midpoint, but it has not been strong enough, and outflows are dominating right now at minus 0.01, and it's been under a bear indicator here since 27 cents in the pre-market, and at the bell rejected the same area and pulled itself right back down to the support of 25 cents. This is crucial. This is critical to not ignore, because we're currently seeing MULLEN stock fighting here to stay above this support, but rejecting key resistance levels and outflows being dominated on multiple time frames, not just the 15-minute, but also here on the 30-minute. But you could see these inflows trying to pick back up near the midpoint there. Even though they're green though, we're below the midpoint and outflows are dominating once again, and it got a bear indicator there at around 27 cents after the bull indicator that popped up yesterday in the after hours quickly got canceled, jumping from 25 to 28, canceled by this bear indicator and coming right back down to the same area. So these are critical areas to watch as we're at this support and near the 52-week lows if it goes any lower. So I'm going to share with you guys the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow. So the first thing is support levels, right? On MULLEN stock, the outflows are dominating here on the 30-minute and also here on the 15-minute, and we want to see them come back up. And the first support level, if the outflows continue to dominate and pull away from the midpoint, it's going to be 25 cents. Below that is going to be the 22 cent area to 20 cent area, and then comes the 52-week low of 18 cents, guys. These are critical levels, and if 18 cents gets broken through, it could possibly try to go for a new 52-week low, and I'd be watching towards that 15 cent area, how it fights there if the bulls try to reappear or if the bears start to dominate. Now, when we go ahead and look at this from the upside picture, the first thing is we want this bear indicator to get canceled, these inflows to pick back up, cross that midpoint, and start reflecting that strength into the chart, and not just on the 30-minute, but also here on the 15-minute, going from red to green, crossing the midpoint, and reflecting that strength into the chart as well, canceling that bear indicator and getting a bull indicator in the process. Now, the first resistance is 27 cents. Then above that comes the 29 to 30 cent area. And above that level, I would watch the 32 to 33 cent area, as we were watching those levels on the way down, and they're going to be critical on the way up, as now they're resistance levels and we're below them, right? So it's going to be critical to watch these levels. These are the key levels I'm watching to the upside and to the downside. And I'm going to be watching these inflow versus outflows and bull and bear indicators. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.